And here's the back of it. I already removed the battery, so I wanted to check out to see how it was doing inside. And to release the stem, you have to take this screw out right here. So you have to take this one out, and then as I was doing this, I also realized that there's yet something else that I need to do. But here's that first screw, so that's that first mechanism that we're going to take out. And yeah, it wasn't too difficult to do. It's a relatively small screw, but you do need a special screwdriver, a little micro screwdriver like this, in order to take that out. By the way, I suggest you use ceramic tweezers instead of the ones I'm using here. Try not to use the metal ones, but that's all I had at the moment. Always have a little container to put your screws in, and don't forget what they look like. It's another reason for filming too. It helps you locate where things are at. If you miss something, you can just go back to the video and see where you're at with everything. So this is the moment I realized I needed to take this screw out. So I'm going to take this one out, and then there's also another one on the side, but I ended up not needing to take that one out as it happened. So this one worked out pretty well. This screw was a little bit stubborn and gave me a little bit of a problem, but here it is. Seriously. So after removing the screws, the stem comes out, and there it is. I took it out, and yep, it wasn't too hard to do. In a few minutes here I'll show you the process, but here's the movement. That's how you remove the stem.